Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Martin Luther King Day virtual assembly. Now, while we can't come together in person today, we can still celebrate together the life and memory of Dr. Martin Luther King with a story and a song. But first, we're going to learn a little bit about the famous civil rights leader from your counselor, Mrs. Smythe.
Every January, we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Martin Luther King. Dr. King was born in 1929 and he died in 1968. He was an internationally honored speaker and leader of the civil rights movement in the 1950s and 1960s. His message of achieving equality and justice was through nonviolent means. The civil rights movement is a social movement that started when African Americans decided that they needed to work together for their civil rights or personal rights that every American was supposed to have. They joined together with others who believed in equal rights for all people, and this became the civil rights movement.
Working together for fairness and equality is something that we need to be doing each and every day. And sometimes the first step is to just be welcoming to those people around you. We're going to listen to a story called All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold. As you listen to this story, think about how you can be welcoming to those people that are in your life and how people are welcoming to you.
All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold and Susan Kaufman. Pencils sharpened in their case. Bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase. All are welcome here. No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around. All are welcome here. Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. All are welcome here. Time for lunch. What a spread! A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here. Open doors, rush outside. We will swing and we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. We're part of a community. Our strength is our diversity, a shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents we'll uncover. There's a big world to discover. All are welcome here. So much to learn, so much to do, and when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back, start anew. All are welcome here. Head home to get some rest and greet tomorrow ready and fresh. Our time together is the best. All are welcome here. You have a place here. You have a space here. You are welcome here.
There's a lot of cool stuff that we get to do when everybody is included. Remember that when we get to be back inside the school, doing all the cool things that we get to do, it's because others have fought hard to make sure that everyone gets to do those things. Reading books, learning math, making art, and even creating music are things that everybody gets to do when we come together and we welcome those around us. Here is a song that talks about coming together, performed by students from our own Lacamas Elementary School. As we sing together, We Are the World by Michael Jackson and Lionel Richie.